Let's sing the ABC colors animal song. A is for antelope, a brown antelope. Leap, leap, leap. B is for bear, a black bear. Growl, growl, growl. C is for camel, a tan camel. Walk, walk, walk. D is for deer, a brown deer. Bound, bound, bound.
A, B, C, D, animal colors for me.
Sing along, 1, 2, 3. E is for elephant, a gray elephant. Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. F is for fox, a red fox. Yip, yip, yip. G is for giraffe, a yellow giraffe. Munch, munch, munch. H is for horse, a brown horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh.
E, F, G, H, singing is so great.
Sing along, 1, 2, 3. I is for impala, a brown impala.
Jump, jump, jump.
J is for jellyfish, a pink jellyfish. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. K is for kangaroo, a brown kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. L is for llama, a white llama. Hum, hum, hum.
I, J, K, L, we know them all so well. Sing along, 1, 2, 3.
M is for monkey, a brown monkey.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
N is for narwhal, a gray narwhal.
Splash, splash, splash.
O is for ostrich, a black ostrich. Run, run, run. P is for peacock, a blue peacock. Show, show, show.
M, N, O, P, animal colors for me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3.
Q is for queen bee, a yellow bee.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
R is for rhino, a gray rhino.
Charge, charge, charge.
S is for sheep, a white sheep. Ba, ba, ba. T is for tiger, an orange tiger. Grr, grr, grr.
Q, R, S, T, colors are fun, you see. Sing along, 1, 2, 3.
U is for umbrella bird, a blackbird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. V is for vulture, a black vulture. Fly, fly, fly. W is for walrus, a brown walrus. Harumph, harumph. X is for Showsaurus, a green dino. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
U, V, W, X, on to what is next. Sing along, 1, 2, 3.
Y is for yak, a black yak.
Grunt, grunt, grunt.
Z is for zebra, a striped zebra. Neigh, neigh, neigh.
Y and Z, we finished our ABCs.
All the animal colors you see.